Did you already go fishing?
Of course, man. First touch the grass, catch the bass. Hold on. Oh, my
Bird,
goodness.
what's wrong?
The mosquitoes biting, bro.
Well, Bird, why don't you look and see if you got bug spray?
I think I got some in my bag. Actually, I don't, man. This might be a long day, man. Come on. Oh, my goodness, man.
What is it, Bird?
You got no trespassing sign right here. You can't even fish here.
Well, I guess we can't fish here then, Bird.
Why not?
Because we're going to get in trouble.
Man, some say you got to trespass to catch bass, man. They talking about no trapping. We ain't doing no trapping, man. Let's go. Oh, my goodness, man. Not again, man.
What happened, Bird?
I'm hung up.
So what are you going to do? Cut your line?
No, I'm not cutting the line. But you know what they say, man? If you can get snagged, you can make a fish gag, man. I'm going to get this back. Oh, my goodness, bro.
Oh, my goodness, Bird. Now what happened?
Out of bird, that's my reel.
So now what are you going to do?
You know, I'm going to sit here and pick out the knot. You know what they say, man? Sometimes you got to pick out the knot. Just let the fish plot, man. Oh, my goodness, man.
Well, what happened, Bird?
We been out here all day. We ain't catch no fish.
Well, I know, but what are we going to do?
I don't know, man. I think my spot's so good, the fish don't even know about it. I think we should just hang it up for the day, man. Try another time, man.